Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 7th, 2018, and we are going to be planting some blanket flower seeds today. Let's see here what they look like. And I'm going to be planting the goblin one first. That one takes about 100 days to bloom. And it's a perennial in zones 3 to 9. And once the plants are established, they will tolerate heat and dry soil. So I will show you what these seeds look like here. There you go. See what they look like there. Oops. I'll have to find that one then. Okay. So what I'm going to do is these go about a 1/4 inch deep. So I'm just going to put these on top here. I'm sewing 2 to a cell because I want to make sure that I get enough of them. And perennial seeds, you should pre-chill them before you sow them. So these seeds have been pre-chilled. They have been in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag for, oh my goodness, a long time. But if you want to chill them for like a week, that's fine. And I will leave a link below on how I mix my seed starting mix. I had some left over from another project, so I just used it for this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant the other one, and first I'm going to label them so I know which one's which, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how to cover them. Okay, so I got these all planted here, and I sowed 2 seeds per cell, and I'll prick out the extra seedlings then for transplanting. I'll leave a link below on how to do that. Now, the goblin mix, or the goblin one, that one can take, it's a perennial to zones 3 to 9, and the other one is hardy from zones 2 to 10. Now, they don't tell me what variety this one here is. So what we're going to do is they only need a 1/4 inch of soil, which isn't that much. So I have my Jiffy organic seed starting mix, and I'm just going to go over these. And I don't want to get it on too heavy because we don't want to put them down too deep. And blanket flowers need 70 degrees to germinate. So we are going to be putting these in our grow boxes. And I will come back then and show you how to do that. And I'm firming the soil down over top of the seeds because you want to make sure that your seeds have good contact with the soil. Here we go. Okay. So I have these here covered. And I'm just going to take a water bottle and spray over the top of it just to make sure that we get the seed and the new soil that we just put on top nice and wet. And these can take 7 to 15 days to germinate. So I will put these over in the box and we'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and I have these in the grow box. This is a fluorescent light. It's on for 14 hours a day. And I use either the sunshine or the daylight bulbs. And I'm going to let the light heat the box up, and this will give us the temperatures that we need for it to germinate. Now, I'm not going to put this in the back of the box because it's going to get too hot. So out here they should germinate just fine. So when they start coming up, I will come back with another video and I will show you what they look like. And I'll give you an update on them. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.